Hey there, my name is JC Simbolan, and by profession, I am a civil engineer, but eventually turned into freelancer. So, when I was in the corporate, we are in charge of the housing construction. So, there are different procedures and different works to be done to complete the units, right? Back then, I'm constantly looking for ways how to do things faster without sacrificing quality, of course. Now that I'm doing freelancing, I want to do the same thing. So, but the difference is it's it's not just eliminating unnecessary steps, but it also includes automation with these tools like GHL. So I enrolled to courses and learned GHL, and now I'm also learning NA10. With this, I was able to create a fully functioning system for a tutoring business, like from getting acquiring leads to their students booking for their classes and then the business receiving payments, right? I want to work with you because I want to expose myself with a team and an environment where I can apply all my learnings, my knowledge, and my experiences to bring results to the company. My take on social media. So I think there's too much noise currently on social media, but if we can use it correctly, like if we can cut through the noise and then get our message across to our ideal audience, it would be a very powerful tool. How you use AI to multiply your output. All right, so first and foremost, I used AI to complement me. For example, copywriting is not my wheelhouse, so I'm using this different LLMs like Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, etc. to do the copywriting for me. Or in times like when I'm running out of ideas, so I ask these LLMs to generate fresh ideas for me as well. I'm also using AI on other stuff like image and video generations. And instead of manually checking what currently videos are performing on certain platforms, I created a workflow on N8N to check and generate those for me. And that really helped since it eliminated manual work and saving me time. And yes, I think that's all for me and hope to hear from you soon. Bye.